yeah, we are back again with another video for Gabs Motovlog. So right now, hopefully okay yung audio, no? Kung hindi, observation video na lang. But yeah, right now we're on our way to SSS kasi magbabayad tayo ang utang natin. And so you know, napakakinis ni Mio today, pero I think yeah, for the last 2 days ata napakakinis ni Mio kasi nung bumiyahe kami ni Mrs. nung Sunday, wala namang ulan, napakainit kagaya ngayon. Pero kanina early morning I had to run a quick errand at nag-start yung ulan kagabi pa, kahapon pa. So that was probably Sunday afternoon. Today is Monday, February 10th, 2020. So yeah, going back. So inulan si Mio kanina, so hindi na siya malinis. And I think that goes for almost all of the motorcycles dito sa Cebu ngayon over the weekend. And yeah, kaninang umaga. So I started this vlog in Tagalog and I'll continue it in English just for the sake of, you know, we might have international viewers. And speaking of viewers, congratulations. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-subscribe. Umabot na din tayo. Nasa 103 ata or 102 subscribers. So congrats. Salamat. Maraming salamat, guys. I didn't really expect this type of response on my vlog. Because, you know, I'm not a member of any clubs. I'm not, you know, I'm not famous or anything like that. But yeah. Also, yeah, yesterday, I think it was yesterday or Saturday, my fellow motovloggers went to Ducati Cebu to join their test drive session. And yeah, they were able to test some Ducatis out. It's very, very cool. And congrats, guys. Sana oil. So yeah, the weather right now is really, you know, not good. It's sunny, but there are some rain clouds in the horizon. And yeah, I'm guessing after I pay my loan at SSS, it's gonna rain. Just a wild guess, but yeah. Hopefully it won't, because I want to continue my vlog. I was actually gonna vlog the Sunday La Quacha with Mrs. Gabs, but unfortunately it kind of drizzled a little bit, so yeah, I was not able to vlog it because I was actually planning to vlog the place that we were actually went to have dinner. And yeah, but sadly again, I didn't. So we went to Wingers Unlimited. This is not a sponsored video. But you know, who knows? You kidding, man? Shout out Wingers. Yeah, we went to Wingers in Mango Avenue, right across. I think that's one Mango place. But it's just beside National Bookstore in Mango Avenue. So yeah, I think we, well, not we, it was majority me. We consumed a total of, I think it was 24 chicken wings. Wingers? Yeah, it's wingers, so it's a given that it's chicken wings. And we consumed like 200 grams worth of fries. 4 cups of rice. A couple of ice creams and a couple of glasses of Mountain Dew. So again, this is not a sponsored video, but if you really want to check it out, if you haven't been there yet, give it a shot. I mean, it's good. If you are a group, it's gonna be worth the payment or the price. And by the way, the price is at 298 pesos. That's already unlimited for all, like unlimited dessert, unlimited ice cream, unlimited rice, unlimited chicken wings, unlimited drinks, whether it's soft drinks or mineral water. But yeah, give it a shot. Who knows? You might like. So yeah, my seat is really wet. It already has holes. I mean, the seat cover is probably 5 years old already. As old as this motorcycle. And it already has like the linings have been torn, or what another word. By the way, guys, if you are new to the channel, just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well. Be notified of my latest uploads. And again, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for those who have subscribed. And feel free to comment down below, guys. I think probably the audio is the main issue right now. You know, the helmet itself is a bit small for me, because the helmet was just a gift. My previous helmet, my LS2 Crazy Skull edition, got stolen. So my brother-in-law let me borrow his helmet, but you know, it's the brother-in-law, so it's gonna be a given that it's gonna be yours eventually. But yeah, so I need to buy a new helmet. I'm thinking about Evo, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm here at SSS right now, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay? Under the sun. Damn it. One spot with all the leaves. No choice. Hey guys, I'll be right back. Okay, bag laki. So after Alright guys, we are back again. Woo! Tagal dun. Walang So they recently made changes on, you know, where to claim the forms and where to get your pictures taken for the ID card. Just crazy. And when I got SSS, How many minutes was that ago? And now it's raining. Fuck this. Damn it. It's raining, guys. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to stop this nonsense vlog. Damn it. Hurry up, people. Just as expected. Remember I said a while ago, I was still on my way to SSS, that it's not raining, it was really hot. But once I get out of SSS, it's gonna be raining. And yeah, it's already drizzling, I'm very, I'm 90% sure that it's already raining where I live. So yeah, guys, this is the problem, I mean, I don't know, my OBR, my commander likes the rain because it's not hot, but for me, I would prefer a sunny day than a rainy day, because of course, if it's raining, you're not going to be able to, run a lot of errands. You're going to be stuck in the rain. So the faster we're going to go, the wetter we're going to be. Damn it, and you're washing your motorcycle down. So let me just close my jacket, because I can't really understand why I did not close my jacket yet. Alright, yes, we're all set. Good for you, yeah, you have your raincoat. Hopefully the audio is still going to be okay. And yeah, so I just want to share my experience at SSS. Damn it, I was there for almost 2 hours. Just stood there. The new location for the forums. They even changed the freaking entrance and the exit doors. The garbage bike's there. Entrance is there. I'm sorry, I did not know. But yeah, they changed the entrance. The exit before is now the entrance, and the entrance before is now the exit. It's not really confusing. I'm shocked. So it's still drizzling and I'm not stopping. I'm so freaking hungry right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to continue. But I guess I'll end the vlog when I get to the part where it's really pouring. Right now I can still manage. It's still manageable. It still drizzles. So yeah. And again, guys, thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified of my latest uploads. And comment down below what you think about the video, the audio, what other aspects you think about, what other aspects of the video you think I should improve. Of course, the content is going to be there. I need to improve my content, but yeah. Just sharing my daily activities. So yeah, again, I'll just end the vlog here. Once again, guys, thank you so much for all the support. Hopefully, we can actually reach more than 100. Yeah, it's already more than 100. It's 100 plus. But yeah, I mean, the drizzle has stopped or has calmed down a little bit. But yeah, I'm still going to end the vlog here. So, don't forget to support local vloggers, guys. Let's support the members of Motovlog PH. And once again, thank you so much. If you're still here, if you're still around, Thank you for your support. And sige, bye.